Tired of your long dress? Don't throw it away. It's easier than you think to turn it into a beautiful skirt. Let's get started. For this project, all we need is an elastic band. First, I'll show you how to measure the elastic to get the perfect fit for your new skirt. There are 2 easy ways to measure the elastic. First, wrap the elastic around your waist and cut it to the same size. The second method is to measure the waist, then cut the elastic about 4 inches shorter than that measurement. This gives the waistband the right amount of stretch for a perfect fit. For this skirt, the waist measures 30 inches. Our finished elastic will be 26 inches. Remember to leave extra length for the seam allowance before joining the ends. Now it's time to cut the dress into a skirt. I want the finished skirt to be 30 inches long, so I'm leaving 1 extra inch for the hem before cutting. Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe for more sewing tutorials. Now that the skirt is cut, let's move to the overlock machine. Overlock the raw edge. This makes the next step easier and gives the edge a clean finish. Now move to the regular sewing machine. Fold the waistband over exactly 1 inch to create a casing for the elastic. Fold the waistband over slightly more than 1 inch. Make sure there's enough space for the elastic to slide through smoothly. Leave a small opening at the end so you can insert the elastic in the next step. Attach a large safety pin to one end of the elastic. This will make it much easier to guide the elastic through the waistband. Slowly feed the elastic through the waistband until it comes out the other end. Be careful not to twist the elastic inside the casing. As you can see, the elastic is in place. Before I close the opening, I always check that the elastic isn't twisted. In this case, it is twisted, so I'll straighten it first. Then we'll move back to the sewing machine to close the opening. Now the elastic is in place and everything looks good. Next, it's time to join the 2 ends of the elastic together. I'm sewing the 2 ends of the elastic together. I stitch over it twice to make sure it's strong and secure. Now close the opening with a straight stitch. Finally, tack the elastic to the waistband at the 2 side seams. This will keep the elastic secure and prevent it from moving inside the waistband. And that's it! We've turned a long dress into a beautiful new skirt. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next sewing project. Thanks for watching.